Please follow these brief, step-by-step instructions to change your programs of study. Step 1. Begin by locating and selecting your profile picture and then click View Profile. Step 2. On the left-hand side, click the Academics tab. Step 3. Then select the Overview tab. Within this section, you will see your declared programs of studies, which are also known as your major and minors. Select the Request button next to the program of study you wish to change. If it is not your primary program, there will be a drop-down menu to either change or remove the program of study. Select Change My Program of Study. Within the following section, under the table Current Programs of Study, it will show your current declared programs of study. The table beneath it is where you'll be able to edit or remove any programs of study. To remove a program of study, select the minus sign on the left-hand column. Then, in the Is Primary column, you can change which program of study is the primary major. You can do this by deselecting the checkbox and selecting the checkbox in the row of the major you want the program major to be. In the Bundled With column, you can change which minor or specialization is bundled with which major. Academic unit lists which faculty the program falls under. Under the Expected Completion Date, put your expected date of graduation. Once you have made all the necessary changes, put the declared date as the current day you're making the change, and enter your comments if needed. Then select Submit. After you have submitted, your academic advisor will be notified and will approve the changes you have made. Carefully managing your program of studies ensures your academic plan accurately reflects your current educational goals. Mahalo!